Let me see regular hexagonal lamina 30 mm rest on one of its side touches both the reference planes, and the opposite to the side rest on 45 mm above HP. So first let me draw XY reference line. Draw the line command, draw XY with the help of line command, and text X Y VP HP below the reference line. Hexagonal lamina 30 mm, so 6 sides, 30 60 degree, 30 mm to 120 degree, 30 mm 180 degree, 30 240, 30 and 300. So now it's a hexagonal. Okay, now select and group it. Make a thickness of 0.5 mm thickness. So now we have to check that one of its sides touches both the reference line. So first let me do the first one by keeping this one side. So normal regular hexagon with resting on its one of side, and keep the A B C D E F the points on the corners. Project the lines from each corners B E C D at the reference. Then mention the names over here: A dash, F dash in bracket, B dash and E dash in bracket, C dash, D dash in bracket, since it is invisible. Now make the line with the thickness of 0.5 mm. Draw the line from this point to this here, and mention a thickness. The side opposite to the resting side is 45 mm above HP. So first let me make a the side 45 mm above. How to make it? Using offset command, you can make a line the same, copy the reference line 45 mm above the reference line, so that we can keep this. So now what is the distance between the two edges? In the front view we have to see that is 51.96. so this to be moved over to the next side, and we have to rotate it. So first of all, just keep it a copy, move this front view, and from the center of find arc, select arc. From the center point just maintain 51.96, which is there in the dimension checked. Make an arc, trim it, and now we can select this line and rotate from the center of point of rotation. Just select and keep it on the joint. We can draw the check the angle for it now, because it is given as just 45 mm above HP only. So now we come to know the what is the inclination angle. Now draw the projections from the edges, that is the end of the points we have to draw, and from A to A dash where it meets. If not, we can extend it and trim it later, or make it 0 degree exactly. You will get it. B to B dash, C to C dash where it meets, D and D dash meeting point, E to E dash meets F to F, right. Text A, B, C, D, where the intersections, we have to draw intersection of C, D, E and F. Select the line command, and now we have to join this A, B, C, D. A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E. The end points, select the end points on that or intersection points, we can get it. So now we can select that, make it as a 0.5 mm thickness, and this is the top view after the inclination. Now we have to move this, as the problem says that one of its sides touches both the reference planes VP and HP. So first we have to keep a copy, move a copy here, select this, and in that side edge, that is FA edge, I am going to keep it on a reference line, that is one of its sides touches. So we can type letters, text that edges, whatever it is there. So FA is the edge where it which it touches the reference line. So from here we are drawing these projection lines C, A, D, F and E touches where E dash. Mention the name now, A dash, where it touches B to B dash, C to C dash, D to D dash, E dash here and F dash, D dash, select this and make 0.5 mm thickness. Now this is the problem, draw the dimension of the hexagon and angle between that, unwanted things trim it.